You'll have love at first sight with the 2020 Hyundai Tucson. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Take your daily drive to a higher level of comfort and quality with this well-built, well-equipped Tucson. Standard high-tech touchscreen infotainment, standard driver assistance features, and an upscale feel make this stylish compact crossover stand out from the crowd. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: lane keeping assist, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, cruise control, power windows, AM/FM stereo, power door locks. Get the quality and safety you deserve when you take the wheel of this Tucson. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.